Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn subject EVS lesson 3 A Day with Nandu. Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. For a few seconds he was not sure where he was. It seemed to him that he was surrounded by a forest of big great tree trunks. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and trunks of his family members. The sun was overhead and it was getting hot. Nanima trumpeted, made a loud sound. Nanima is the oldest in this herd of elephants. She started moving towards the jungle. The other female elephants saw her and started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. Elephants move in groups, which is called herd. When they reach jungle, they spread out to eat and gather near water streams for drinking. An adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day. Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephants love to play with mud and water. This keeps their skin cool. Elephants' big ears work like fans, which keep them cool. An elephant herd has mainly females and baby elephants. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. Herd consists of 8 to 100 individuals depending on terrain and family size. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Then they leave their herd and move around alone. Like elephants, some other animals like sheep, buffalo, goat, etc. also live together in groups. These animal groups are called herds. They usually move around together searching for food. Asian and African elephants can be differentiated most easily by their ears, their head shape and their tusk. Elephants are also used for rides. Forest land is shrinking and many animals are captured by people and employed in different tasks. You must have seen elephants, monkey, bears in circus. They are trained in cruel way and fed little. Here, some of the animals like snake, bear, horse, monkey have expressed their ill treatment by humans. They use them for entertainment in circus. But some animals like cat and pigeon is happier than the horse, the bear and the monkey because they get good treatment by the humans. Please refer to the page number 58. Read what do the animals say about themselves. Elephants help each other when in trouble. They join together to care for and rescue their young ones. Elephants are the largest land animal in the world. Elephants know every member of their herd and are able to recognize up to 30 companions by sight or smell. Save, love and protect animals. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.